Childhood remembrances are always a drag. If you're Black, you always remember things like living in Woodlawn, with no inside toilet. And if you become famous or something they never talk about, how happy you were to have your mother all to yourself, and how good the water felt when you got your bath from one of those big tubs that folk in Chicago barbecue in. And somehow when you talk about home, it never gets across how much you understood their feelings, as the whole family attended meetings about Hollydale. And even though you remember, your biographers never understand your father's pain. He sells his stock, and another dream goes. And though you're poor, it isn't poverty that concerns you. And though they fought a lot, it isn't your father's drinking that makes any difference, but only that everybody is together. And you and your sister have happy birthdays and very good Christmases. And I really hope no white person ever has cause to write about me, because they never understand. Black love is black wealth, and they'll probably talk about my hard childhood and never understand that. All the while I was quite happy,